Hello! So, ako po si Madam P. Ito yung reading natin for Virgo. Summarizing Venus, Jupiter, Virgos. Take only what resonates. For those of you na gusto magpa-personal reading, Madam, space P, space pa sa dulo. Yan yung pwede mong i-search. Sa Facebook, dyan ka pwede mag-inquire ng personal reading. So, what do we have here? For the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo. Let's start your reading. Kamusta kayo, Virgo? Pa-comment naman dyan sa baba kahit po heart-heart lang. Smileys, malaking bagay yun sa akin. Four of Wands. Yan. I really do like the energy here, ha? Wheel of Fortune. Three of Wands. I like it. Wait lang. You do have here the Five of Wands. So, yung iba sa inyo pwede nagkakaroon ng kaguluhan or hindi masyado nagiging okay, especially pagdating sa area ng iyong career. Something na nagbibigay ng stability sa'yo. Pero, nakita tayo ng big change dito with the Wheel of Fortune. Wow! Malapit mo nang matanaw yon. Malapit mo nang makita with the Three of Wands. Nakikita natin, medyo nagiging magulo lang ngayon. I do understand kasi yung placement of planets natin yun, especially the Mercury retrograde, is causing a lot of issues pagdating sa pagdating sa area ng iyong finances, pagdating ng iyong career. Medyo nakaka-stress to, no? And yeah, yung iba sa inyo nagkakaroon ng misunderstandings. Hindi lang ikaw, pwedeng pati yung mga taong involved dito sa career area mo na to is nagkakaroon ng problem or kaguluhan ngayon. Pero malapit mo nang matanaw yung mas maliwanag or mas maayos na pagbabago mula dito sa career na ito. And tell me about the person nakakonect ni Virgo. Sino yung person nakakonect mo? Pasensya ka na, nagagalaw yung camera kapag ka nag-shuffle ako kasi unfortunately hindi ko kayang ayusin yan dahil nag-charge kasi ako. Hindi ko pwede tanggalin yung wire. So, pag nagagalaw yung wire, nadadama yung yung pinaka phone. So, nagagalaw yung yung video. Okay, wait lang. Okay, uminom lang po ako ng tubig. You do have here the Nine of Swords and the Seven of Cups and the Nine of Cups, and you do have here the Ace of Cups. Virgo. So, nakita tayo dito ng person very stressed, very problemado. With the Seven of Cups, advance siya mag-isip na nakakadagdag pa kung bakit siya namomblema lalo ngayon. Kasi hindi maganda yung mga naiisip niya, natatakot siya. With the Nine of Pentacles, I feel like this person is someone who is marami siyang accomplishment. I can see a lot of money mula dito sa taong to. And with the Ace of Cups, nakikita natin this person could be a new love, new person, or yung iba, if this is a past person, pwedeng nandun yung pagmamahal mula sa taong to. Okay, yung iba naman, this is a new person. So, take only what resonates. Nakakita nga pala ako ng libro, malaking libro. This could be a reading. May mga plano siya. The Two of Wands is at the bottom of the deck. So, may mga plano tong taong to. So, ano yung mga emotions ninyo sa isa't isa? Okay, you do have here the Six of Cups. Regarding some of you, if you're dealing with a past person, alam mo, diyan ka magaling eh. Nakikita natin na very organized kang tao. And pagdating for sa iba sa inyo, if you're dealing with the past people or past person, nandun yung, if ever na magkakaroon ng problema tong person na to, tapos lalapit sa'yo, nandyan ka, may plano ka, alam mo kung paano gagawin. No, Virgos are like that. Magaling silang makakita ng mga attention regarding sa details na hindi lang sa sitwasyon mo sa sarili mo, but also sa sitwasyon or sa pagdating sa ibang tao. And because of that, naa-analyze mo, naa-analyze mo kung ano yung problema, kung ano yung magandang gawin, and nakakita tayo dito with the Six of Cups and the Two of Wands energy, sa energy mo na parang regarding the past, you do have a plan. Balik tayo dun sa reading ng kanina, yung main energy mo. Remember na merong mga big changes na mangyayari sa'yo pagdating sa iyong career? And it is because meron kang particular naisip or maiisipan na magiging dahilan for you na magkaroon ng big change pagdating sa career mo. Ibig sabihin, this is not a joke. Kasi yung maiisipan mo na yon can definitely make you flourish or magbubunga, mamumulaklak yung career mo once na isa katuparan or once na gawin mo kung ano man yung mga plano mo na yon. The Six of Cups is here. There's a lot of people sa paligid mo and they will makikita nila kung ano yung mga pinagagawa mo and makukuha mo yung interest or attention ng mga taong ito. So, tell me about the person, nakakonect mo, emotions niya for you. Okay, maraming card yung lumabas kasi, of course, dalawa yung nakuha nating energy. For those of you dealing with a new person, you do have here the Eight of Wands and the Knight of Swords. Yeah, this person is paparating sa buhay mo with the Eight of Wands energy. I feel like involved ang family. Okay, na maybe may pag-travel regarding this person's family at saka sama siya. Or, paparating tong person na to and hindi lang siya yung darating at I feel like there's family members or family na magiging involved sa connection ninyong dalawa. And then for some of you, for those of you dealing with the past, this is your energy, Page of Pentacles at saka Queen of Swords. Meron siya mga bagay na ika-cut off regarding the Page of Pentacles. Clarify natin what's with the Page of Pentacles. This is weird. Strength card is here and also the Page of Cups. So, I feel like has something to do with a child or yung iba sa inyo may mga ika-cut off or tatapusin siya ng mga issues na may kinalaman sa children or child. Okay? And wait lang guys, inom lang ako. By the way, dalawa yung iniinom ko ngayon. May inom ako ng suka at saka yung isa is water. Ayan. I love drinking vinegar. Anyway, so may mga tatapusin siyang issue na may kinalaman sa child or children. And what is the emotion of this past person? Nakita na natin yung love kanina, but tell me more about this. Oh, the Two of Swords is here. I feel like, ayan, lalo na with the Queen of Cups. Nakita tayo ng emotion, love mula dito sa taong to and magiging dahilan ni itong love na ito or emotions niya kung bakit magkakaroon ng pagdidesisyon sa kanya regarding some kind of ending na pwedeng may kinalaman nga sa child. So, what will happen in the near future for the both of you? For the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo. For the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo. Take only what resonates, guys. Kamusta na kayo mga Virgos? In the near future, okay, in the near future, you do have here the Knight of Pentacles and the Sun. Yeah, sabi ko nga sa'yo, you will become more happier Kasi may mga changes sa buhay mo, especially with regards to your career. The Knight of Pentacles, nakikita tayo ng mga offer na paparating sa buhay mo na magiging dahilan for you na mamagnet itong happiness or positivity sa buhay mo. Like, you have a lot of things to offer, and nakita tayo na may mga potential na mga taong magtiwala sa'yo because of what you can do. And because of that, may changes pagdating sa career mo. May happiness, positive, etc. I-manifest mo to, napakaganda ng energy mo. And then, pagdating sa person na kakonect mo, in the near future, for those of you dealing with the past, nakakita tayo ng reconciliation dito, 3 of Cups. And, you do have here the Judgment. May reconciliation tayong nakikita dito. Tapos, you do have here this Death card, 10 of Wands, and the 6 of Wands. For those of you dealing with a new person, some kind of ending ang gagawin niya. And I feel like the Death card and the 10 of Wands, medyo mahirap at saka pagod na kasi siya, kaya niya bibitawan tong mga bagay na to. And you do have the 6 of Wands. Yan. Paparating itong person na to because nandun yung parang napagtanggumpayan niya na or natapos niya na kung ano man yung parang pinaka mahirap na desisyon sa buhay niya. And I feel like makakayanan niya gawin yung desisyon na yun kasi nandun na yung magkakaroon siya ng lakas ng loob para gawin ito. So, thank you for watching, guys. I love you all, and bye-bye.